Cruz's godparents. Where's JoJo? Oh, there he is. Like, we honestly are so, like, we were talking about you guys last night, and we're like, we just love you so much. And, like, you guys are just...
Thank you guys so much.
There's chocolate treat.
All right, who was responsible for putting this together? That's my mommy and my stepdad, my poppy. We wouldn't be able to do this gathering without you guys. All of this, like Cruz's baptism or our first communion, the celebration, any of that without you guys. And for putting up with all of our crap all the time, always spoiling us with stuff like this. We thank you for that. Yeah!